In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the days off easily changeable in your schedule in Excel. So in the second column next to the employees, I have off, and I have them all with the day numbers between or next to their names, being that those are the days they want to have off. Now, if you scroll up to the bar, I have a little chart here. So Sunday is a 1, and then it works all the way back down to Saturday is a 7. And so each of these day numbers represents a day of the week. And so now I have 2 programs, so I'm going to run the first one, which is off days. And so now you can see when you run this that here I have 3 for Tuesday. And so Tuesday is off on all of these days there. Okay, so now to run the code into to put in their schedule, all I do is I click on run rotate. And the rotate has put all the values in and around their days off. Now, so if this employee 1 comes to you and says, you know, Tuesday's not working out for me, can I change it to Thursday? Now, normally when somebody says that to you and you have a coded schedule, that would mean you're going back to the code and having to fool around with it a little bit. But now with this way, it's a lot easier. So if you want to change it from Tuesday to Thursday, so we look down on our little thing here and Thursday is a 5. So let's change our 3 to a 5 here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the code or the schedule that I have in here. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to run my days off again. Okay, so I'm going to go to macro and I'm going to run off days. And there you can see now that his days off are Thursday. And so it's just a matter of me running the rotate again. And our schedule now is done with the change in days, and that wasn't very much effort to change that at all. So let me show you how I did this. So for the off days, what I've done is I've gone for each day of the week, I've gone with the same thing as the same. So I'm saying column equals 2, and that's where my days off are. And row equals 7, because that's where I'm starting. And day number is the 1 for a Sunday. And now I have a little program called daynumber. And so what it's doing, just let me scroll down to get it. So daynumber, what it does is it's saying, so my day numbers for each day of the week is in row 3 here. So it's saying for column 3 to 93, and that's the end of my schedule, if sheet 1 cells row 3, which is this one, and the right column number equals the day number. So if it equals, for example, the 5 for Thursday, then it's going to take and put in a 0 or an O for off in that day. And then we just call it for each of the days of the week that we have day numbers in, and you have your day numbers worked out really well. Day numbers and your off days worked out in really well. So I will, of course, include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.